Welcome to West Linn Paper. Over the next several minutes, we'll take you through a brief tour of the mill and explain the paper making process. Built in 1889, the mill is located at the foot of the historic Willamette Falls. The site covers 110 acres and is situated on an island shared by West Linn Paper, PGE, the Army Corps of Engineers, and the Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife. The island is a hub of activity, supporting paper manufacturing, the Willamette Falls locks, the T.W. Sullivan Hydroelectric Project, and a fish ladder and counting station. Only about 20 acres of the site is used for manufacturing. The mill restarted as West Linn Paper Company in 1997 and is the largest private employer in West Linn. It employs 250 people with family wage jobs, which help support the local economy. The mill runs 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We manufacture about 700 tons of paper each day. If unrolled, that's enough to travel from Portland to New York and back again. The mill manufactures coated free sheet paper, which is primarily used in magazine publications, catalogs, advertising, and direct mail.
We have 3 different machines that'll make varying basis weights, and so when a customer needs a specific product or something special, we can usually make that product in a couple of days and get it to them within a week anywhere pretty much west of Chicago.
Let's talk a bit about how paper is made. Paper making begins with stock preparation. Ours is a non-integrated mill, meaning we do not produce our own fiber. Instead, a mixture of hardwood and softwood pulp is brought to the mill. The pulp and a few other ingredients are then mixed with water. The pulp mixture is then sprayed from the head box, which controls the flow of the ingredients onto the forming wire. The base sheet then travels through a series of vacuums, presses, and dryers to remove the water from the sheet. As the water is removed, a solid continuous sheet is formed. The majority of the water used in this press is reclaimed and recycled back into the system. All of the paper manufactured at West Linn Paper is covered with a coating which helps make the product suitable for high-quality printing. The coating is applied in a thin latex and is similar in consistency to a water-based latex paint. The quality of the paper is monitored throughout the process by a series of scanners. After coating is applied, the paper is transferred onto a re-reeler, where it is checked for defects. Any irregularities in the paper are removed and the sheet is spliced together again for further processing. Next, the reel of paper is moved to the super calendar machine, which works much like a giant iron. The paper is run through a series of rollers that apply heat and pressure, polishing the surface of the paper. The amount of super calendaring will determine the level of gloss of the paper. We produce 3 different finishes on our coated papers: gloss, dull, and matte. The reels are now sent to the winders, where they are wrapped and cut into various roll sizes. All of our rolls are put through an extensive quality control process, which ensures that each roll meets the proper specification. We produce custom roll sizes based on customer orders, and with 3 machines manufacturing a variety of basis weights, we are able to give flexibility and quick response to our customers that most large mills cannot offer. Our papers are sold under the brand names Sonoma, Capistrano, and Nature. The Nature line contains 10 to 30% recycled post-consumer waste and is FSC certified, which means that it is made with wood that supports the growth of responsible forest management worldwide.
We offer both a number 2 and a number 3 sheet, Nature and Nature Plus respectively. Those grades are both available in 10% and 30% recycled content and come with FSC certification, which makes them some of the most environmentally sustainable products available in the paper marketplace today. Paper making is by its very nature a very resource-intensive process. It uses lots of water, lots of natural resources, and our goal is to make paper as efficiently as we possibly can with as minimal impact to the environment as we can.
Shipments of our paper are delivered locally up and down the West Coast and carried by truck and rail to printers and distributors throughout North America to be used in catalogs, magazines, and commercial printing. As the only remaining coated free sheet mill in the West, we ship more than half of our production to the western U.S. and Canada, another third to the Midwest, with the remainder shipped to our other locations throughout North America.
Being smaller enables us to know more about our customers and know their needs and understand their needs and be able to respond to their needs. If they need a particular product and they need a certain time, we do what it takes to get that done.
Our focus at West Linn Paper is to offer our customers a wide range of high-quality products, personalized service, and flexible manufacturing. We strive to make doing business with West Linn Paper easy, and we are dedicated to delivering solutions to our customers.